Super weather.
Hey everybody, meteorologist Sarah Gannon here with a look at your first alert forecast. We do now have a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of North Iowa here this afternoon. Just coming in from the National Weather Service here. Latest update on this is a severe thunderstorm warning, and this is for Howard County. This has been warned for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and hail size up to about 1.25 inches in diameter. So we're getting close to quarter to more so towards ping pong ball size hail. So smaller polygon here just coming out of the Elma area, and this is heading towards Cresco. Cresco is not included in this polygon in this warning. However, Cresco heads up. Now is kind of your first alert to be able to head into your safe spot here this afternoon. So this warning will be in effect until 5 o'clock here this evening. Again, make sure that you are heading indoors, away from doors and windows, and heading to that safe spot. A lot of heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, some thunder being held here with that thunderstorm. We'll kind of time things out a little bit here too. So Cresco, you do have a little bit of some lead time. This thunderstorm looking to be on your doorstep here, probably the next 15 minutes or so, 10-15 minutes by about 4:45. Kendallville by about 4:55. Canton by about 5:08, about 5:10. Looking towards Maple by about 5:20, getting towards Spring Grove, and that's kind of pulling it out probably about an hour's worth in time. So Spring Grove by about 5:30 there. This thunderstorm is moving to the northeast at about 35 miles per hour. And hail is kind of the main threat here with this cell. Looks like my information updated here, but we've been looking at some radar indications of at least quarter upwards of ping pong ball size hail. And this is right along Highway 63 right now. So just outside of the Elma area. This is heading towards Cresco. Cresco, you still have a couple minutes here to head to your safe spot. But if you're anywhere within this polygon here in Howard County, you need to be heading to your safe spot here this afternoon, heading it to shelter, at least inside, away from doors and windows. We are seeing a few more isolated showers and thunderstorms here. At this point, that is just our one thunderstorm, our one severe cell here at this point in time. Seeing some thunderstorms moving through the Rochester area. Coming out of Austin, heading along the I-90 corridor there. So still looking at some activity here over the next couple of hours. So we zoom further out, very isolated in manner. More so rain activity to our north, but at least locally for us here, very isolated in southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. There is a level 1 out of a level 5 severe threat for us here in portions of southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. So a lower end severe threat, severe activity, widespread. Low, but the threat for severe weather not completely zero. So we may watch out for an isolated severe thunderstorm or two. It's just something to monitor here heading into that evening commute. Let's put things into motion with future track for tonight. We have a frontal boundary off to our west. This will help push those thunderstorms along. Most of this activity should be out of our area by about 6-7 o'clock here tonight. So especially after 7, things becoming a little bit quieter. We may see a couple stray showers and thunderstorms lingering from there, but most of that activity is out of here by about 7 o'clock. So rest of the evening should be pretty quiet here as we transition then through about midnight. Any sort of rain activity would be done with after midnight. Heading into tomorrow, we'll be looking at more cloud cover here for the area, especially through Rochester, looking at high temperatures slightly below average into those mid to upper 50s. A look at that 10-day forecast. No first alert days here on the horizon, but a nice long stretch of some dry, sunny, and seasonal temps in the 50s and 60s. That's a look at your first alert weather.
Don't forget your umbrella.